Look at this photo. It's a standard, innocent selfie of a girl walking down a beautiful street. She uploaded it to social media just to share her day. To the average person, it's just a nice picture. But to a cybersecurity researcher or privacy analyst, this image file can contain hidden metadata that points directly to the location where the photo was taken. Today, I'm going to show you the power of Exiftool, a utility used by digital forensics experts and intelligence analysts to extract hidden metadata from files. I'm going to show you how analysts can take this exact image and visualize its location data in seconds. Let's head to the lab. To pull this off, we need a specialized engine designed to read the invisible layers of a file. It's called Exiftool. Forensics teams use it during incident response to track the origin of files, and OSINT investigators use it to verify data. If you are running Kali Linux, it's usually pre-installed. But if you're on a clean Ubuntu or Debian setup, you can arm your terminal right now by running sudo apt update and sudo apt install exiftool-y. Just like that, our digital microscope is ready. Now let's feed it the image file. On my desktop, I have the downloaded image saved as target.png. Let's run a basic scan to see what it's hiding. Exiftool target.png. Look at the screen. It spits out everything. The camera settings, the software used, the exact time, and the date. And right here at the bottom, we see the important part: GPS latitude and GPS longitude. But wait, look at the format. It's in DMS format, filled with symbols like 9 degrees 5 minutes, 57.84 seconds north. If you try to copy and paste this directly into a standard GPS system or a script, it's going to give you syntax errors. It's messy. We need a clean, universal decimal format. To fix this without wasting time on manual math, we are going to use a specific flag. I'll type exiftool-n target.png. The -n flag stands for print format numerical. It tells Exiftool: strip away the symbols, drop the text formatting, and give me the raw, pure decimal numbers. Let's hit enter. Perfect. Look at the GPS coordinates now. Clean, pure decimals. 9.0, 99399, and 7.4081. No symbols, no confusion. Perfect for analysis workflows. Now for the moment of truth. We take these two clean decimal values, 9.099399, 7.4081, copy them directly from our terminal, and paste them straight into Google Maps. Watch the screen as I hit enter. Boom! Look at that. The map pin drops onto a location in Gwarinpa, Abuja. You can see the layout of the neighborhood, the matching structures, and the position of the hills in the background. From a simple public selfie, we can now visualize where the image was captured. This is the reality of the digital world. Every time you snap a photo with your GPS location enabled on your phone, your device may embed these coordinates directly into the metadata. When you upload that raw file online, other people may be able to identify where the image was taken. To protect yourself, always go into your smartphone's camera settings and disable location tags, or use a metadata stripper before posting your photos online. If you want to master the art of OSINT and digital defense, you need to understand how these systems work first. I'm ACW360. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like for the algorithm, and let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on how to completely scrub this data from your files. Stay ethical, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one.